Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this 21-day lockdown, which has actually been more than 21 days for me now, I'm trying to do things that I haven't done before, like cooking or baking. So today I'm baking triple chocolate chip cookies, and this recipe I got from Rajeshwari. She is a chef and I'm going to mention her Instagram handle on the screen somewhere. It's called My Yummy Spatula, so do go check her out. So yeah, I'll be making triple chocolate chip cookies, and the ingredients for that are salted butter. I'm taking 110 grams, 90 grams of brown sugar, 30 grams of brown sugar, or you can also use caster sugar for this, 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, 128 grams of plain flour, which is maida, 40 grams of cocoa powder. I've taken the Cadbury cocoa powder, half a teaspoon of baking powder or baking soda, 50 grams of milk chocolate. I've taken the normal dairy milk one, and you also need 125 grams of chocolate chips, but I don't have chocolate chips, so I'm just gonna break these down into pieces and use this as chocolate chips as well. The last ingredient is 1 tablespoon of milk as well. Okay, so first I'm gonna put the butter, and 1 teaspoon of the vanilla essence. Now I'm taking the brown sugar. This will make it a little moist, and the white sugar is going to add crispiness to it. I've taken the dairy milk and I melted in the microwave for 20 seconds because I don't have milk chocolate, like as in melted chocolate, so I melted the dairy milk. So I've put the baking soda, the chocolate powder and the flour all together, and I'm just going to put all of it inside. This is how it looks right now. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of milk in this. So I have all the ingredients all mixed up. I'm going to take the chocolate chips. These are also just bits, and I've put, like, basically cut out the dairy milk into pieces like this. So I'm going to put this inside here and just fold it. So I've just put all the mixture in this icing thing to get perfect shaped cookies. I know the cookies are of different sizes and shapes, but you are supposed to put it in for 8 minutes and then flatten it a little bit. So you basically put the cookies into the oven the first time for about 7 to 8 minutes at 190 degrees. After those 7 to 8 minutes, you take them out and you just flatten the tops a little bit and then put them back in for 2 to 3 minutes. So I've taken the cookies out now. You're supposed to leave them outside for 15 to 20 minutes to let them cool down and come together. I obviously didn't leave enough space between the cookies, so now they've become all jointed and they look funny. But they smell really nice. So I'm just going to leave for 15-20 minutes and then just see how they've turned out. This is the first time ever that I'm baking, so I'm pretty happy with the result. The cookies are actually pretty nice. They're crispy also, and they're approved by my brother because he liked it.
How's it?
It's good.
So yeah, you can also try this recipe at home and tag me if you want to, or you can also tag my yummy spatula. It's her recipe that I've tried to recreate. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you want me to do any more recipe videos because I am really enjoying doing this. So yeah, I'll see you guys soon.